It was built piece by piece, right here in a humble garage. It started as nothing more than a scattered collection of metal, wheels, and dreams, and now it's a machine ready to tear up the trails. Forget needing a fortune or a team of engineers. You don't need a fancy workshop or high-end equipment. All you need is some grit, a bit of creativity, and the willingness to get your hands dirty. This project proves that anyone can build something incredible from scratch. We're going to walk you through every step of turning basic materials into your own custom ATV. We'll start with the essentials: planning your build, measuring and cutting the metal, and welding together a tough, reliable frame that can handle anything you throw at it. Next comes the heart of the beast, dropping in a 110cc engine. We'll show you how to fit it perfectly, secure it in place, and make sure it's ready to deliver the power you need for off-road adventures. Then, we'll tackle the drivetrain, connecting all the moving parts that transfer that engine power to the wheels. You'll see how to assemble the transmission, align the chain, and make sure everything runs smoothly. This is a hands-on, step-by-step journey, and it's all about making something awesome with your own two hands. We'll dive deep into building the suspension for a smooth ride, setting up the steering for precise control, and installing reliable brakes. Because when you're building for speed, control, and safety matter just as much. We'll show you how to make sure your ATV stops as well as it goes. Choosing the right tires is crucial for off-road performance. We'll guide you through picking the best off-road tires for your terrain and show you how to mount them securely so you're ready for any adventure. By the end of this build, you'll have a complete roadmap to creating your own four-wheeled freedom machine. You'll know every nut, bolt, and weld that went into it, and you'll have the skills to tackle your next project with confidence. And the best part? That unforgettable moment when you fire up your creation for the very first time and take it for a spin. There's nothing like the thrill of hearing that engine roar to life and feeling the machine move under your control. This is more than just a machine. It's a testament to your hard work, creativity, and passion. It's the pride of building something with your own hands and the excitement of knowing you made it happen. So, are you ready to get started? Let's build an ATV that'll turn heads, conquer trails, and show the world what you can do. Your journey from scrap to speed begins right now. Before you even think about picking up a wrench or turning a single bolt, you need a solid plan. Building an off-road ATV isn't just about assembling parts. It's about creating a machine that's tailored to your needs and ready for any challenge you throw at it. Jumping in without a clear plan is a recipe for frustration, wasted time, and costly mistakes. A disorganized build can quickly spiral out of control, leaving you with a pile of parts and a lot of regret. Start by deciding exactly what you want your ATV to do. Will it be conquering rugged forest trails, powering through deep mud, or just providing backyard fun for the family? Your intended use will shape every decision you make, from the frame to the tires. Focus on the fundamentals: strength, balance, and stability. A low-centered engine isn't just a technical detail. It's what keeps you safe, stable, and in control, especially when the terrain gets rough. Take the time to sketch your design, even if it's just a rough drawing. Measure every part twice and plan every step 10 times. The more you prepare now, the fewer surprises you'll face later. Lock in your wheelbase and track width early. These dimensions are critical for stability and handling, especially when you're pushing your ATV to its limits. Design the ATV around yourself. Make sure the seat, foot placement, and handlebar reach are comfortable and natural. When you're comfortable, you're in control, and that means a safer, more enjoyable ride. Plan for strong, well-placed mounting points for your suspension, engine, and steering components. These are the backbone of your build, and they need to handle serious stress. Don't forget to reinforce high-stress areas with gussets. These small additions can make a huge difference in the strength and durability of your frame, especially when the going gets tough. Think carefully about your braking system. Decide where the brakes will go, and make sure the frame is strong enough to handle hard stops and sudden impacts. Every weld, every measurement, and every detail matters. Precision isn't just for looks, it's for your safety and the long-term fun you'll have with your ATV. Remember, A solid, well-thought-out plan is the foundation of a killer build. It's what separates a reliable off-road warrior from a project that never leaves the garage. Don't skip the planning stage. Your entire ride depends on it. Take your time, double-check everything, and set yourself up for success. Now, with your plan in hand and your vision clear, it's time to bring that dream to life. Let's get building. With plans in hand, it's time to build the backbone, your frame. We're using square iron tubing, strong, cheap, and easy to find. Measure and cut every piece with precision. Crooked cuts mean a crooked ride. Lay out your pieces flat, clamp them tight, and tack weld the main frame. Double-check angles and measurements before final welding. Lay down solid welds on every joint for strength. Add engine mounts, suspension points, and cross members as needed. Weld in gussets for extra durability. Grind down welds for a clean look and to spot any weak spots. Hit it with primer and paint to prevent rust. Stand back. You've just built the foundation of your custom ATV. The hardest part is done. Now let's give it some power. Time to give this frame a heartbeat. A 110cc motorcycle engine. Check the engine on the bench. Oil, carb, and wiring. Position it low and central for balance. Align the output sprocket with the rear axle sprocket. Precision here prevents headaches later. Use blocks to hold the engine in place, then fabricate and tack the mounts. Double-check alignment, then weld the mount solid. Bolt the engine in, connect throttle and clutch cables, and hook up the wiring. Don't worry about making it pretty yet. Just make sure it works. Now your project looks like a real machine. The heart is in place. Next, let's get that power to the wheels. The engine's in, but it needs to drive the wheels. We're using a simple chain drive, just like a motorcycle. Sprocket sizes matter. Smaller front or bigger rear for torque, bigger front or smaller rear for speed. Align the sprockets perfectly. Misalignment means trouble. Set chain tension, about 1/2 to 1 inch of play. Add a spring-loaded chain tensioner to keep things tight as the suspension moves. Install the rear axle, hubs, and wrap the chain. Spin the wheels. Everything should move smoothly. Patience and precision here make your ATV run right. No suspension? No fun. We're using motorcycle shocks. 2 up front, 2 in the rear. Up front, build dual A-arms from steel tubing for strength and stable wheel geometry. Mount shocks from lower A-arms to reinforced frame towers. Angle affects stiffness. In the rear, build a solid axle swing arm from heavy tubing. Mount rear shocks from axle carriers to the frame. Check for enough travel to soak up big hits. Bolt everything in loosely, then check full range of motion. Make sure nothing binds and the wheels turn lock to lock without rubbing. Tighten all bolts once you're happy. A good suspension keeps you comfortable and in control. It's the difference between a smooth ride and a rough one. Now, let's make it steer and stop. Suspension's done. On to the next step. Power and suspension are useless if you can't steer or stop. Install the steering stem, handlebars, tie rods, and knuckles. Mount the stem through the frame with bearings for smooth turning. Connect tie rods to the knuckles and set the toe so wheels point straight. For brakes, go hydraulic discs, front and rear. Mount calipers and rotors, run brake lines to master cylinders. Front brakes on the handlebar, rear on a foot pedal. Bleed the brakes, no air bubbles allowed. Test for firm levers and pedals. Now you can steer with confidence and stop on a dime. Safety first, always. Tires are your only contact with the trail. Choose wisely. Go for deep, knobby treads for all-around grip. Pick wide, low-profile tires for more traction and a mean look. Mount them on strong steel wheels with matching bolt patterns. Use tire irons and soapy water to get them on the rims. Seat the bead with an air compressor. Listen for the pop. Set air pressure low, around 4 to 7 psi for off-road grip. Lower pressure means better traction over rocks and roots. Experiment to find what works best for your terrain. Bolt the wheels on and admire your work. Now it's really looking like an ATV. Ready for the final touches. The finish line's in sight. After countless hours of hard work, sweat, and determination, Your ATV is finally taking shape. Every bolt tightened, every part installed, and every decision made has led to this moment. The anticipation is electric as you prepare for the final steps. Now it's time for the details that truly make this machine your own. Personal touches are what set your build apart from the rest, turning a standard ATV into a unique reflection of your style and vision. Start by mounting a dirt bike seat. Choose one that's both secure and comfortable, giving you the control you need for any terrain. The right seat can make all the difference in how your ATV feels on the trail. Next, install a small fuel tank, making sure it's safely positioned away from heat sources and potential impact zones. Safety and reliability are key, so double-check every connection. Carefully run the fuel line, securing it with clamps and adding a filter to keep your engine running clean. Take your time. No leaks allowed. A well-installed fuel system means peace of mind on every ride. Keep the bodywork simple but effective. Add lightweight plastic fenders to shield you from mud and debris, a sturdy front bumper for protection, and a rear grab bar for easy handling and transport. Tidy up the wiring using loom and zip ties, making sure everything is neat and secure. Organized wiring not only looks professional, but also prevents future headaches from loose or tangled wires. Connect the battery, fill the tank with fresh fuel, and meticulously check every bolt and fastener. This is your last chance to catch any loose ends before the big moment. Now, the big moment arrives. Turn on the fuel, set the choke, and hit the starter. Listen as the engine cranks. Then, with a roar, it comes to life. That sound is the reward for all your effort. The 110cc engine roars to life, vibrating with energy and potential. Feel the excitement surge through you as you realize you've brought this machine to life with your own hands. Take a slow, careful test ride around the workshop. Check the brakes, test the steering, and listen closely for any odd noises or vibrations. This is your chance to fine-tune and make sure everything is perfect. Once you're confident everything is solid, it's time to open it up. Hit the throttle and feel the power as you accelerate across rough terrain. The freedom and thrill are unmatched. There's nothing quite like riding something you built yourself. Every bump, every turn, and every burst of speed is a testament to your skill and dedication. You didn't just build an ATV, you built an adventure machine, ready to take you places you've only dreamed of. The journey is just beginning. So get out there, hit the trails, and don't be afraid to get it dirty. After all, that's what you built it for. Adventure, excitement, and memories that will last a lifetime.